Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by granting the Display Over Apps permission because Android blocks floating windows without it. Open Settings, go to Apps or Permissions, then Special Access. Find Display Over Other Apps or Floating Window. Tap the app you want to float and enable the switch. Once done, repeat for any other apps you plan to use. This step ensures the system trusts the app to draw on top. Without it, your floating window will be blocked or closed immediately. Now open the app you just permitted and go to Recent Apps or use the multitasking gesture. Tap the app icon above the preview and select Open in Floating Window or Floating. Some Infinix models label it differently. The app creates a movable overlay you can drag and resize. Make sure to test drag handles and corners. If you need two apps, you split screen first, then convert one to a float. This step gives you flexible multitasking. Finish by tuning behavior. Open settings to adjust floating window defaults like size and transparency so it doesn't block content. If the float fails to open, force stop the app, revoke and re-grant the display permission, then reopen. Reboot the phone if needed. Make sure Battery Saver or a security app isn't auto-killing overlays. Disable aggressive optimization for that app. One troubleshooting tip: if floats disappear after an update, recheck permissions and clear the app cache to restore stable floating behavior.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.